Hey guys, how's it going? It's Soundkiller, and today I'm going to show you how to make some really cool electro step, electro house, sort of very Rocket League style music using Black Lotus Audio's newest free download release, Eclipse. So before starting this video, if you want to check it out, free download is in the description, so you can download this really awesome beta pack. And if you want to check out more about the full pack, Cosmic, links are also in the description. So anyways, let's go into the DAW and get started with this tutorial. So here I have my little electro house drop using this free vital pack by Black Lotus Audio, which sounds something like this. It's really hype, it's really festival, it's very Rocket League. So let's break down and show you guys what's happening here. So of course we have here our main baseline control with this automation here. And so the automation is adjusting and controlling the tone knob here. Then we have here our main synth. Really awesome synth, hexane burner. And what our automation here is doing is moving this plastic knob, so it sort of shifts and changes the tone so it doesn't sound repetitive while the track is playing. It's a very subtle change, but it's very nice to keep your track moving and keep it dynamic. We of course then have our bass shots here. Very awesome. And for the drums, we're also using Black Lotus Audio's drums, which are really sick. This is the Horizon drums. So if you want to get some really cool, high quality premium drums that can work for anything, even though it's advertised for the dubstep, right now I'm using it for a house, Horizon drums are the way to go. So this is a 4 on the floor drum beat that I made. Everything, of course, is being sidechained with very minimal processing. And then we got this last little preset here, which is a classic, which is just a very, very subtle little chord progression happening in the background. Very nice, very subtle, but when you mix it all together, it sounds something like this. So if you want to check it out, free download of the pack is linked in the description. If you want to purchase Horizon, links are also in the description. If you guys want to learn more about Cosmic, everything in the description. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment. So this was a very simple Rocket League style drop. Hope you guys enjoy the content. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.